I am Mahua ma'am. I am back today with Awaken Citizen program. Already you have done 2 classes with Jhuma ma'am. Now this is session number 3. Session number 3 is about being heroic. The word is heroic. Heroic doesn't mean that you will start fighting with others or you will show your heroic characters as you are getting it in a film. Here it is something different. Here heroic means having different type of qualities, like having the qualities of a hero such as bravery. As hero means a real person who are having enough strength and courage. Students, you also have all the qualities within you. About universal possibilities, you know. So being heroic is also an universal possibility. You have all these possibilities within you. Right? You have enough power, you have enough strength within you. Only you have to develop faith within yourself and awaken those qualities which are lying dormant within you. You have to just awaken those. Here, hero can be anyone. You can also become a hero. Hero means, what I mean to say is that does something they have fear of but are brave enough to still do something. Today, the definition of hero is genuinely a good person and someone that can cause changes. Right? Who build connections between people, who encourages others for the better, who help others. So some qualities are there which you all have within you. Those qualities of hero are help, brave, protect, make the world better and do what no one else done. And you have all these qualities. Once you awaken these qualities within you, you can face challenges, take up big goals, improve others. Right? So I am showing you an icon here. Some modules I am having, some scenarios I am having. You just go through those scenarios. This program is Awaken Citizen program and the session is about being hero. Now here the icon is showing a man is standing with a spear in his hand and a shield for protection. That doesn't mean that man will go and start fighting with all these. Right? Now some scenario are there. I'll show you. How can we awaken our heroic spirit within in our day-to-day life? Now see, the scenes are given like this. Meet Kripa. Kripa is the name of that girl. Kripa faces challenges courageously. So those who can faces challenges courageously, we can call them hero. Right? When Kripa saw some big boys teasing a small boy, these boys are saying, you better move out of the way or else. Kripa is answering, I won't let you bully this boy. I am not afraid of you. So these are called physical challenges. Next is moral challenges. It's like this. In an argument in school, Kripa's friends are saying, Kripa, how can you take Anu's side? You are our friend. You should support what we say. Now Anu is answering, means Kripa is answering, Anu is right, so I must stand by her. So this is a type of moral challenge. Then when the teacher gave the class a completely new topic for a project, the students are sitting there and this teacher is taking class. Students are saying, that's not fair ma'am, we don't know anything about this topic. How can we do it? The teacher is replying, means Kripa is replying here, this project will challenge my thinking. It will be fun doing this project. So these type of things are mental challenges. Right? So this type of challenges can make you a hero. Means if you have the ability to face challenges courageously, right? Next is meet Sohan. Sohan acts with honesty and integrity, irrespective of the consequences. Now, during a test, when the teacher gets called out of class, Sohan is thinking, I won't copy even if all others copy. I want to deserve the marks I get. Another time, when Sohan loses his father's favorite book in school, Sohan's brother is suggesting, Father will be very angry. Don't tell him you took the book. He will never come to know. Now Sohan is thinking, I don't want to hide things from father. I am very sorry, father. Sohan is telling to her father that I am very sorry, I have lost your book. Right? You also, I am sure you also want to be like Sohan. So these type means like Sohan, you too can be heroic by acting with honesty and integrity, irrespective of the consequences. Then another scenario is meet Aman. Aman keeps the commitments he makes. When his cousins wanted him to go for a movie with them, Aman is saying, you all go ahead and have fun. I want to keep my commitment to visit my friend who is ill. Now Aman keeps his commitment to his friend. Next is, the teacher asks Aman to bring some research information for their next class, but his internet is not working. Now Aman's friend is suggesting Aman, just tell the teacher you couldn't do it because your internet was not working. Why bother spending so many hours in the library for this? Now Aman is responding, no, I made a commitment to bring this research to class, so I'll find a way to complete it. Here also Aman keeps his commitment to his teacher. Right? So you can also awaken this possibility of being heroic by keeping the commitments. And this is about meet Yatin and Nilesh. Yatin obeys when he is forced to. Yatin's parents have asked him to study for his exams. When parents are watching over, then Yatin is thinking, I have to study or my parents will scold me. When parents are away, yay, I can watch TV all day. Parents will never know how much I have studied for or not studied. Very good. Then it said about Nilesh. Nilesh freely chooses to obey. Nilesh's parents also ask him to study for his exams. When parents are watching over, Nilesh is thinking, my parents are thinking of my good. If I want to do well in my exams, I need to study. When parents are away, Nilesh, as you can see here, you have understood from here that Nilesh was studying. Question is, why do you think we say Nilesh is being heroic while Yatin is not? Because Nilesh obeys, chooses to obey his parents. Right? So these are the 4 possibilities of being heroic. Means you too can awaken these possibilities of being heroic. What was those 4 possibilities of being heroic? By having the courage to face challenges, by keeping the commitments I make, by acting with honesty and integrity irrespective of the consequences, by choosing to obey. Right? That's all for today's ACP class. Thank you, students.